Hey guys, today I'm going to make a brand new video, and for today's video I'm currently stood in the middle of fucking nowhere. Like literally, there's literally nothing here. So I have actually done 2 POVs already, but I decided to do another one, partly because I ran out of ideas and partly because a lot of people are actually asking for another POV. So basically I'm going to be doing another POV drive in my car, and here it is. Let's hop in and let's get going. Let's hop in. Oh yeah. Whew. For today's POV, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drive around, and I'm also just going to be talking about things that have been going on YouTube. For example, where the drive with me's gone, you know? Because there's a reason why they're gone. They might be back soon, you never know. But without further ado, let's pull off and let's just explore basically. I'm not indicating because I'm a twat. My plan is for this POV is firstly to turn around and then go someplace I haven't been before. It's just going to be country roads, but hopefully they're interesting country roads. And should we just do a little turn right here? Let's do a little turn. That's quite a nice little bit actually. Don't know if you guys can actually see that. Imagine having a driveway like bloody that. My car's just getting warmed up, right? And then we can, you know, semi put my foot down. I'm not gonna go crazy because it's a 1.2 Corsa. I don't think it's an Audi R8, so there's no point really. Now this POV is kind of like an update, it's basically just a chill drive. Partly I've run out of video ideas. I got video ideas coming, but obviously they take time to film. Let me turn that down. We are coming up to a massive fuck off hill. Like literally, look at this. It's beautiful. This hill is beautiful, but look how steep it is. So we're gonna go into a low gear. I'm just gonna let the car roll. First thing that I want to talk to you guys about is drive with me's, right? Now, recently there's a thing been going around called Article 13. Probably people don't know about that, but I found out about it when about 20 of my videos got copyright strike or copyright claimed, which means it doesn't mean anything but I'm not making money on those videos anymore. And I don't really give a shit, to be honest, because if I did YouTube for the money, all I'm saying is I'll be uploading more than I do right now, which isn't very much. I don't upload regularly right now. So they've been copyrighted because I've played copyrighted music. For example, my Drive With Me's, they all have copyrighted music on. Oh. Thank you. I honestly don't know why I say thank you to people. So because the Drive With Me's actually have copyright music in, or like even some of my other videos have copyright music in, they get copyright claimed, and that means I'm basically not making any money on it. And again, I really couldn't give a shit, to be honest. It's just the fact that copyright can go further than that, which means it can go to a copyright strike, which means your channel is literally on the line. Let me quickly downshift. Alright, let me slow down here. It is a 60 and I'm doing 50. My car can't reach 60 rate, it's too slow. But yeah, that is actually why the Drive With Me's have been gone, because I'm not sure when my last Drive With Me was, but it was like maybe a month ago, and the Article 13 came in like 3 weeks ago maybe, so since then I haven't thought about doing a Drive With Me. It's something that I'm still looking into, because playing 5 seconds of copyright music sometimes doesn't get you copyrighted, which is good, which means I can blast out some tunes. Like this banger, this is like my favourite right now. Your ex was always trying to follow on the lead, her body type, she looking hot up like a fever. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly pull over here, purely just because there is a car behind me. Let me pull over a little bit more. There you go, there's a good old red van. Yeah, oof, he's going quick. I've never been down here, so I don't know what to expect, so I gotta be careful. Let's give it some. I don't know what's around this corner. Oh, keep going. God, I could literally kill myself here. What's this? 30. Look, slowing down to 30. Bang. Oh. Is this a giveaway in that? So we're now in a little village. This is quite cute actually, isn't it? Is anybody coming from there? Nope. Guessing that's a no. Phew, it's getting hot in here. Might start taking my clothes off, guys, honestly. Here's a question for everybody, right? If you comment this, I'll subscribe to you. Right. Modern house or old-fashioned house? You know what? Would you rather an old-fashioned house like these or a new modern house? I think people would go for modern, but people actually kind of like old houses, you know? Oh, look at that. Blacked out BMW something. I don't know what that was. It's quite a nice house, isn't it? You know what? Let's do a cheeky parallel park. Because, right, now, oh, I fucked this one up. No, I haven't. Alright, so I have kind of fucked this one up. But imagine if this was a really tight spot. I could have gotten that easy. So literally, when you're in a tight spot, you just have to shuffle. Shuffle, truffle, and look. Bang. There's how far it is. It obviously looks a bit further away on camera, just because of the fisheye. That was quite close actually. And the curb is done. Now my girlfriend actually lives on literally like a one-way street. So that means that I have to parallel park mostly all the time. At the start, my parallel parks were awful. And obviously it's a busy road where she lives. So I'll be holding up about 20 lorries and oh my God, like, oh, we're going back home. I know where we are. So I'd be holding up about 20 lorries with angry drivers like this, you know. It's in a town, so obviously it's not got sheep waiting for you or anything, which is quite cool. Never come out this junction before. That's quite weird. The amount of times I've driven on this road and I've never come out that junction. So yeah, basically I've just got really good at parallel parks from then because I've had to do it so often.
Baby girl, I know you're a blessing. You already know when I...
Oof. Oof. Jeez. All right. Well, I just pulled over very quickly just because I want to go look down there. I know this is a driving one, but oh my God, look. Look at everybody. Wait. Oh. Look at everybody overtaking. Phew. Phew. Fuck. I'm like a kid, honestly. My car's down there. Look at this. Let's go have a look down here real quick. Please don't be anyone down here because I just don't want to see nobody today. Oh, so it's just a canal. That's quite beautiful, isn't it? Oh. Right, we'll get back to the car now. All right. Get back in the car. Whew, I honestly didn't think I was going to brake in time. I'm out of bloody breath now. There you go. Mate, that was quite cool. I've never seen that canal before. Now listen to this. Listen to my radio when there's nothing on it. Listen how sick that sounds. It sounds like a little turbo. That's mad. That's quite funny actually. Okay then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully guys did enjoy. It's quite a chill one actually, I enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoy me like acting like a bloody kid on my own channel. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have got to the end of this video, then comment V, #V, and I'll subscribe to the first 3 people who do that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you love faces in my next video. What?